What's the vibes, YouTube? It's your guy Will, back at you after a nice 11-day vacation. I guess we're officially going to Sturgis. Let's get this install going and we'll catch up a little bit. What is the vibes, guys, man? Like I just said in the intro, boy, just got back from vacation. 11-day vacation, man. We went to New Orleans, down to Texas. All in all, it was another successful family vacation. That being said, before I get into this install, guys, we got some news on the Road Glide. You haven't entered. This is where you can enter for the giveaway. We are down to 70 entries left on the Road Glide. Trying to give this bike away, man, but it seems like you guys do not want the bike or don't want me to give the bike away. So that being said, let me look at my calendar here so I get my dates right. That being said, like I just said, it is official. Your boy is going to Sturgis this year. I leave for Sturgis Wednesday the 5th. That being said, August the 4th, two things are gonna happen. August the 4th is a Tuesday. We're either gonna raffle this bike away August the 4th, or I am gonna fully refund everybody that entered the giveaway. If you've entered the giveaway, we don't get this sold out, don't worry. I will fully refund you your money in the same payment form that you entered the giveaway in. But come on, man. Would you guys rather you get your $100 back, or would you rather this beautiful bike here? Choice is yours. 70 entries left. Sell us out, or we'll give a full refund. I'm honestly not making any money on this bike. With me taking it to you guys, giving the cash prize to second place and the cash prize to third place, I'm really not making any money. If anything, I honestly believe that I'm losing money at this point. It's a great bike. Honestly, if we don't sell out and I fully refund you guys, I genuinely don't know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna keep it or post it up for sale. Either way, we're setting a hard date of August the 4th, Tuesday. We either sell out or we're refunding everyone back on their entry money on this bike. That being said, let's get back to the video. All right, as you guys know, we got the whole shot mini tour pack a couple weeks back. I did the install on it before I sent it off to paint to my boy Lee over at Prolific Customs. We just got the pack back from paint, looking really good, matching the bike. All we're gonna do is just mount it and get it on the bike. I do have another mount here that you guys see. This is from a company down in Texas called Boogie Co. This is a solo up mount. So this will allow me to run the mini pack as a solo up. That way I can have the padding from the tour pack here as a backrest. The only problem with this mount is the holes that are on the pack and the mount do not line up, as this is a smaller mount and it's up forward. So the holes are different from the Advan mount. Right now, we're just gonna mount the Advan mount because I don't feel like drilling any holes. If you guys are interested in a solo up mount, check out Boogie Co. All manufactured in the great state of Texas. Ironically that I was just there, but I did purchase this with my own money. It was not gifted to me, not given to me or any of that. Just thought it was a dope thing, being able to run tour pack on a solo up, using the padding on the tour pack as a backrest. But as of right now, we're gonna mount up the painted pack to the Lowrider S and see how it came out. So let's get this thing mounted up. All right, pack is on. Let me know what you guys think. Again, shout out to Bad Boy Cycles on the new seat. Looking really good, but let me know what the pack looks like. Just wanted to hop on here real quick since I've been gone for a little while. Like I said, just touched down, but your boy is back. Sturgis 2026. We are going to be there this year. Once again, August the 4th, hard deadline on the Road Glide giveaway. We either sell out or we're refunding. Just wanted to hop on here and talk to you guys and give you the update on what I decided to do with the Road Glide, and also share with you the tour pack that I just got from Paint. That being said, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys always supporting the channel. Those of you who bought merch, entered the giveaway, I genuinely appreciate you guys entrusting me in your hard-earned money. I know how hard everyone works out here, so you guys spending a couple dollars with me, man, I genuinely appreciate it. That being said, that's a wrap on this vid. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.